What's up everybody, Carplumbtrician here. Today I want to show you Skills 12 volt brushless 6 tool combo kit. It's a great kit for a homeowner or DIYer, anybody getting into the trades that needs a set of tools. It's a great entry level kit. So let's open it up and check it out. Let's get her opened up. Got all your user manuals for all the tools, batteries. We have a work light. That's cool. You get a drill. These are all brushless, so no worries about having to mess with brushes later on. What else we got in here? Charger. The power jump, so you get 5-minute charge. This is cool too. They put USB plugs on their chargers, so you can charge your phone, do whatever you gotta do there. We got a battery. Same thing with that USB. As long as you have a battery with you, you can charge your devices, anything like that. So that was a 4 amp hour. We also have a 2 amp hour here. Same thing, USB. Oh, so that's cool. So you got a tire inflator. It's handy to have around the garage. That's cool. Right hand impact driver. 1/4 inch. Very nice light on top. Multi-tool, quick lock, work light on top. What else we got in here? Belt hook. Oh, there we go. Check out that. Circular saw. Five and a half. It's cool. It's a good size saw. I think that's it, other than a few accessories in here. They give you the sanding pads, a couple oscillating tool bits, bunch of sanding pads. I would assume we have a saw blade here, and another belt hook, and a vacuum port for the circular saw. Not bad. So here it is. Everything you need to get things done around the house or your DIY hobbies. It's a good kit, so definitely check them out. Skill Tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for more cool tools. Check you next time.